Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, was then a retired general.
Mr. Chair?
Retired General Luot became mayor.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Naambush siya in Malapascua, Cebu.
Ah,
What
nung
place is
galing po siya ng Malapascua Island,
Malapascua, Cebu.
yes, nagdock po yung yung boat nila.
Yes. And doon din sa Cebu, may mga PDEA agents din na namatay. Would that be correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
PDEA, tuturin ba yun? That you had agents in Cebu who were killed or neutralized?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, may I know, Colonel Garma, since you were there, were they part of the